Hi, welcome to video lectures, and today's topic is eye-shaped girders. Myself, Karanam Ajit Assistant Professor, Vijayanagara College, Hosapete. What are eye-shaped girders and what are its importance? In general, a girder bridge is very likely the most commonly built and utilized bridge in the world. Its basic design in the most simplified form can be compared to a long ranging from one side to other side across a river. A girder supported at its two ends on the opposite walls of a room bends under its own weight or under the load placed above it. The middle portion gets depressed, and the depression at the midpoint of a rectangular beam is proportional to mgl cube divided by ybd cube. For the depression y to be small for a given load W, the length of the girder I should be small and its breadth B, depth is D, and Young's modulus for its material is Y must be large. Due to the depression, the upper parts of the beam above neutral surface contracts, while those below the neutral surface extended. Hence, the stresses have a maximum value at the top and bottom and progressively decreases to zero as we approach the neutral surface from the either face. Therefore, the upper and lower surfaces of the beam must be stronger than the intervening part. That's why the two surfaces of a girder or iron rails or railway tracks are made much broader than the rest of it, thus giving its cross section the shape of the letter I. Hence, the girders with the I shape are called I-form girders. In this manner, material will be saved without appreciably impairing its strength, since the stress experienced at the middle portion of the girders is maximum. Removal of the material does not reduce the strength of the girders. Then what are the advantages of I-shaped girders? The advantages are the economy of the material without loss of its efficiency, and self-loading can be minimized, and the strength of the girders does not fall. The applications of I-shaped girders are they are used in the construction of bridges over the rivers or roads. They are very much useful in the production of iron rails which are used in railway tracks. They are used in the construction of iron beams to support the bridges for the heavy vehicles, and they are used as supporting beams for ceiling in the construction of buildings. Thank you.